back once again, Get It Out the Mud 901 with another Kemi Moto package. They reached out to me, said, hey, we got another product we want you to test out, see if you like it or not. We got us a brand new rear view mirror, which I needed because I broke my last one. We hard on them out here, baby. But we're gonna do a little unboxing, a little install, show you how easy it is to hook up to your Ranger. And they also have mirrors, all kind of stuff, all kind of side-by-sides, Kemi Moto. Y'all go check them out, KemiMoto.com. They're all on Amazon and the website. So we're gonna pull the Ranger up out the garage once again, get it on and get it popping, baby. Let's check out this Kemi Moto rear view mirror for the 2021 Polaris Ranger. Nice boxing. Got it nice and secure in there. Of course, we got our instructions. And, oh, that's nice. Very nice. I love the look of that. Got your bolts on the outside, the little Kemi Moto sticker. Got the film, protective film over the glass until you get it installed and get it removed. Nice quality there, guys. And what else do we have in there? Of course, our hardware comes with our Allen wrench. 2 Allen wrenches. Looks like it comes with everything you need to install it. Don't even need any tools. So let's get to it and install this bad boy on the 2021 Polaris Ranger. Needed this very, very bad. So I know she's a mess. We're in the process of some upgrades. I don't know. You might be able to guess what it is, maybe, maybe not. It's pretty straightforward here. This is the old bracket from my old mirror that broke. We won't name any company names, but this is where we're going to replace that. We're going to pull that old piece of bracket off and put this new bad boy in. And I think she'll still even work after our modifications. We're bringing it down, boys. We're bringing her down. All right, let's get to going on this and get it rolling. The Kemi Moto mirror, rear view mirror, looks amazing on the Ranger. We just kind of skipped over the installation because it's that easy. I can just show you right here. So you just have your factory mounting plate right here, and the 2 bolts that come with the mirror. One here, back thread with your nut, and it's installed that easy. This knob here, you turn it to create more tension on the mirror to keep it from moving on you. You get it where you want it, get it adjusted. So there is the Kemi Moto rear view mirror. Nice looking mirror. We'll jump in, take the Ranger for a spin, see how it does in action. Christine's a little loud today. Got the Flowmaster on there. Awesome mirror, man. Looks great. Take it for a little ride. See how she looks in motion, baby. The rattling is my cage up here. We're doing some modifications. Great mirror, love it. Thank you, Kemi Moto. Easy install, looks great. Plenty of vision out of that thing. It's sturdy. Great product. Once again, from Kemi Moto. Y'all check them out online. Check out their Facebook page. Check out their Amazon. And just check out KemiMoto.com. They got a lot of ATV side-by-sides, parts and accessories. They also have apparel, heated vests, heated gloves, heated socks, just all kind of stuff. Go check them out. I'm sure you'll find something you'll like, something there for you so you can get it out the mud for sure. And speaking of get it out the mud, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and share that bell notification. Always got great videos coming to you, short and long. Been doing a lot of them shorts lately. It's a lot of fun doing those little videos. But yeah, check us out on Facebook, man. Y'all can join the Facebook group, Get It Out the Mud 901. I'll leave a link in the description and in the comment section. Always some fun stuff going on there until we keep doing giveaways and stuff sometimes. We used to do them all the time, but I kicked back from that because we just not a giveaway channel and giveaway Facebook group. But we do give stuff away. I got actually a front and rear bumper that I still need to give away. But anyway, y'all go check out that group, join that group. Go check out Kemi Moto. Definitely go check them out. They got something for you. And man, look, don't forget to get it out the mud, baby. Let's ride, let's glide, let's slide. We're gonna get it.